Today we're gonna install this in this truck. It's already in here, but we're gonna do a quick run through, show you how it's installed, time lapse. Hello everybody. Today we're gonna be talking about the decked system. My hunting buddy Ed here, he's got this new Dodge Power Wagon. He's been needing a secure storage, so we're gonna unbox this bad boy, slap it in there, and that way we'll have a place to store all of his stuff when he's driving me out to hunt, because his truck is nicer than mine. So we'll get on that now. So here we go. Let's crack it open.
All right.
You start on that end and I'll start on this end. Ooh. Shiny and new. I love it. Well, let's start laying it out and we'll figure it out. Probably gonna have to crack open instructions on this one, I think.
Yep.
As you can see, we were having some difficulty getting this last bit in, the wheels down below. They are probably one of the most challenging pieces. Well, and here's the finished product installed. Got some nice little tie downs right there. Those are nice to have. Comes with the tub. In this box, little divider. Another nice tub and divider. These things are nice and solid. Got an O-ring around it. Pretty nice. Not too bad. Well, there you have it. We've got the deck installed. It's pretty nice. I gotta say it wasn't super easy, but it's sturdy, really sturdy. And anything that you're gonna take some time to do is probably pretty strong, and it's strong. We did come across one issue. What was that? That was the D-ring on it.
Yep.
The little insert that it slides around, the clamshell just didn't quite line up, so Ed's gonna have to get a hold of Decked and have him send him a new D-ring. Other than that, everything went together perfect. Really solid, quite easy to do. It just took some time. I mean, we spent a good 2.5 hours working on it. Between the two of us. What do you think, Ed?
I think it'll work out pretty good for what I'm going to use.
I think so. It'll be nice to have all your stuff secure in here, so when you're up hunting in the hills, you don't have to worry about your stuff in the back of your truck at all.
Yep. And I've got side windows on the canopy, so I can just reach in, grab stuff to the front, and slide stuff out the back. And
that's nice. So the old Power Wagon's ready to go hunting again.
Yeah, buddy.
All right. Well, there you have it. Like, subscribe, share, comment. get outdoors.